How to delete TikTok messages from both sides. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application TikTok and make sure you are logged into your specific account. Once you are in here, head over to the inbox at the bottom and move into the inbox of the person that you want to delete the message. You can see that you have sent one message. In order to delete, what you want to do is tap and hold the text. Tap on delete. The option of delete for me will only be visible to you. If you click on it, the message will only be deleted for yourself and not for the other person. Well, if you really want to delete it from the both side, what you want to do is go back and head over to your profile. Tap on this three horizontal line at the top right corner and then click on settings and privacy. Scroll all the way down and head over to report a problem. Once again scroll all the way down, the option of submit a report will be visible to you. Click on it. It will land you on this interface. Well, in this section, you need to enter the problem that you have been facing on TikTok. Just like you need to write that you want to delete the message from both sides. And once you are done, tap on submit. Once the report has been submitted, now within 24 hours, the TikTok support will definitely come up with some solution for you. And then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was our tutorial video on how to delete TikTok messages from both sides. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.